Are you seeing all these famous actors and you are inspired by their factual structure? In this video, I will share some tactics you can achieve this model to your facial aesthetics. So, let's get started. The most important element for achieving this type of aesthetic is to have a perfect jawline. Have you ever wondered how celebrities and models seem to have effortlessly sculpted jawlines? The answer isn't as elusive as you might think. A healthy diet and regular jaw exercise make your facial shape like a hero. Here are some exercises you can do regularly. While standing or sitting, tilt your head back and look toward the ceiling. Pucker your lips as if you were kissing the ceiling. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat 10 to 15 times. Lower your jaw slightly and push your lower jaw forward. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 15 times. You sit or stand with your back straight. Tilt your head back, looking toward the ceiling. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Suck in your cheeks to make a fish face. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat 10 to 15 times. Lips are also an important part of achieving great facial posture. The lips are a central focus of the face and can significantly impact one's facial harmony. As well as having a voluptuous look, the most attractive lips often feature a striking Cupid's bow, which catches the eye due to its sharp points. Symmetrical lips are often associated with beauty and balance. Many models possess well-balanced lips that contribute to their overall allure. Achieving symmetry can involve makeup techniques such as lip liners and carefully applied lipstick to create an illusion of balance. Models often flaunt plump and well-hydrated lips, which exude youthfulness and vitality. Unlock the path to model tier facial aesthetics with Dermaplaning, a game-changing exfoliation method that guarantees a flawless complexion. The magic of Dermaplaning lies in its ability to rejuvenate your skin in a snap. By saying goodbye to dead cells and fine hairs, you're not just smoothing your skin, but waving farewell to fine lines, wrinkles, and acne scars. The result? A refined and polished look that's catwalk ready. It's a breeze for all skin types, promising quick, painless sessions with minimal downtime. Plus, forget the hassle of frequent hair removal. Dermaplaning ensures peach fuzz is gone for good, leaving your skin irresistibly smooth. Attaining model tier facial aesthetics with a focus on teeth shade not only contributes to aesthetic appeal, but also aligns with principles of dental health and overall well-being. From a dental perspective, understanding the natural color of your teeth is crucial. Tooth color is influenced by various factors including genetics, age, and lifestyle. Achieving and maintaining white teeth involves a combination of good oral hygiene practices and lifestyle choices. Here are practical ways to help whiten your teeth. Regular brushing, flossing, limit staining foods and beverages, quit smoking. Facial skin moisturization is also very important. Imagine your skin as a delicate canvas, a reflection of your overall health and well-being. Just as a masterpiece requires a pristine canvas, your face deserves the same attention. Moisturizing is the brushstroke that smoothens the surface, erasing imperfections and creating a flawless base for your facial features to shine. It's a silent guardian against the harsh elements of daily life, shielding your skin from the relentless assault of pollution, weather, and stress. Imagine your skin as a delicate canvas, a reflection of your overall health and well-being. Just as a masterpiece requires a pristine canvas, your face deserves the same attention. Moisturizing is the brushstroke that smoothens the surface, erasing imperfections and creating a flawless base for your facial features to shine. It's a silent guardian against the harsh elements of daily life, shielding your skin from the relentless assault of pollution, and weather, and stress. Important, but no one knows the good growth of master muscle is vitally important for great facial posture. The master muscle is one of the muscles of mastication, which is responsible for the movement of the jaw during activities such as chewing. In the realm of beauty, the masseter muscle emerges as a sculptor of jawline magnificence, matching a path to a chiseled and defined facial profile. Its prowess lies in the artistry of facial harmony, contributing to the coveted allure of a well-defined and symmetrical countenance. Parting ways with the indulgence of a luxuriously steamy shower proves to be a formidable challenge in the pursuit of radiant skin. Despite the immediate gratification of the enveloping warmth, the aftermath reveals a less than kind impact on our skin's well-being. The intense heat from the cascading water takes on the role of a skin antagonist, ruthlessly robbing it of its natural oils. This leads to your oil glands working harder to replace those natural oils and overproducing it as a result. The hot water also causes a mild burn, Your blood vessels try to fix the burn by dilating, which causes your skin to flush and turn red. We all know that when we wake in the morning after a night's sleep, our facial skin looks dull and rough because of dehydration. When the skin lacks proper hydration, it tends to become dull and rough and loses its natural elasticity. These initial signs of dehydration can contribute to an overall less attractive appearance. Hydrated skin is plump and smooth. Proper hydration helps to regulate fluid balance in the body, reducing puffiness and promoting a more defined facial structure. This is especially important in areas like the under eye region where puffiness can be a common concern. After washing your face, be sure to use a soft towel to dry your skin. Pat dry and don't rub. Rubbing with a rough towel can further irritate delicate skin, especially when it is wet. The skin on your face is generally more delicate than the skin on other parts of your body. Rubbing or scrubbing with a towel can be harsh and may lead to irritation, redness, or even micro tears in the skin. With these tips, you're better equipped to tackle your academic journey, feeling revitalized. Stay fresh, stay focused, and remember to take care of yourself. Subscribe for more insightful tips and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Keep thriving, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers to a refreshed and successful academic journey.